Hey, I'm down here. I'm down here. And it's not just at parties you'll find me down here at floor level, but I thought I'd interest you today on considerations about flooring. So whether it's hard or soft, dark or light, there's loads to choose from, but it's really important because just like when you go to a jeweler to buy a diamond and they put it onto a piece of black velvet, all your furniture and curtains and cushions will all look so much better if you make the right choice on your flooring. Now, with the miracles of modern technology, carpets don't just have to be carpets. Normally they used to be made from wool, but now they've got man-made fibres in them, like polypropylene and other environmentally friendly man-made fabrics, which means you could actually, not that I would ever waste it, pour a glass of red wine on the carpet and you can mop it off. So carpets can be durable and can be fun. And as you can see, there's a little speck of something on the background of mine there. Oh, cleaner must be under isolation as well. Oh, no, that's me, so I haven't done it. But the carpets can be really, really durable. And when it comes to wooden flooring, yes, you can go for the real McCoy. Can be expensive, but you can go for laminates, which means it's just a little bit of timber on top of, that's the real timber of like oak or elm on top of an other more inexpensive wood underneath. Or you could go for something like I have, which is actually a hard, soft flooring, which is like a sort of plastic flooring. But it's so durable and easy clean, and you can make it whatever colour you want. Now, I've not just popped out the shirt. Put that toilet seat down! Oh, drives me mad. But I'm in my little shower room, that's why he's slightly echoey. I could sing something now just to get the best of acoustics for my naturally almost super soprano originally. Down probably maybe a baritone or tenor voice. Anyway, I digress. I'm now down in the shower room where you will find that you're looking for something flooring that is durable, washable, wipeable, and in this day and age, very importantly, antibacterial and sterile. So this ceramic floater, which looks like wood, which I've adopted here, loads out there on the market just now, and I've actually fitted them in an interesting herringbone pattern. So it gives a little bit more detail. It gives you more bang for your buck when you're buying a plain tile to fit it in a different direction as well. So ceramics, always a winning choice, loads to choose from, loads out there on the high street and online. Make sure you have a little bit of sample to get it in there first to make sure it suits the purpose and the look you're going for. Stunning ceramics. Be creative, don't go for plain carpets. I love a little bit of tartan, as you all know. I'm blending that with a nice chrome edge onto a lovely timber finish. Can be stunning. All flooring needs to be functional. At my front door, I've inserted a mat well, but it doesn't have to be a crazy, horrible old rubber thing. This lovely, almost herringbone-inspired wool entrance mat keeps people's feet, like mine, nice and clean as you pop in to your lovely interior. So to sum up flooring, oh, that's a better angle. I always thought it looked better if you looked down on you. Anyway, yeah, to sum up flooring, loads to choose from. Make sure the function is right. Where's the floor for? How are you using it? How does it have to perform? Are there muddy paw prints, kids, Ribena, Lego underfoot? But it all boils down to what does it look like. Loads to choose from. Woodens, ceramics, pattern, carpet, tartan, stripe. The choice is yours and it can make all the difference for the best winning interior. And turn rooms, this is my old room, turning it from this into this. Oh wow.